Welcome to AH Factory. Today we're going to see how a cricket bat is made, a case from raw wood to a professional bat.
It all begins here, with English willow, the finest wood for cricket bats. Every log is hand inspected for straight grain and zero defects. Only the top-grade logs make it inside for processing.
Quality control starts before the wood even touches a machine.
Now the transformation begins.
Each log is cut into what we call clefts, hiendis, the future bats. These raw clefts will soon become world-class cricket bats. Before shaping, the wood needs to dry and season for weeks. Patience is key. Evade. Rushed wood makes a weak bat.
Once dried, the real shaping begins.
Modern factories use CNC precision for perfect symmetry.
Watch as raw wood turns into a bat silhouette.
Every bat is measured to match official cricket regulations. Skilled hands still play a big role in every bat's shape.
This curve right here, it's called the sweet spot.
Sanding smooths every imperfection.
A good bat even sounds different when you tap it.
One factory, hundreds of bats a day.
Next stop, pressing and strengthening.
Pressing compresses the wood fibers for durability.
This process can take up to an hour per bat.
The perfect press has just the right bounce.
Now it's time to attach the handle.
Handles are made from layered cane for flexibility.
A tight fit means better shock absorption.
These rings lock the handle firmly in place.
Now the bats rest and bond overnight. Every edge is trimmed to perfection. Almost there. Now for the finishing touches.
Fine sanding gives the bat its signature smooth finish.
This layer protects the bat from ball impact damage. Edge tape adds extra durability during play.
A light coating seals in the wood's natural strength. Every bat gets its signature branding. The final polish brings out its natural shine.
One last visual check before testing.
Now it's really starting to look like a cricket bat.
Every bat must meet exact weight standards.
Balance is everything for a batsman.
This is called knocking in tase. It prepares the bat for real match use.
A coat of oil protects the willow from cracking.
Every single bat is checked before it leaves the factory.
This sticker means it passed every test.
Now it's ready for packaging.
From factory floor to store shelf. Every box is labeled and ready to travel. Soon, these bats will be in the hands of players worldwide.
And that's how a professional cricket bat is made, Rizdades, right here at AH Factory.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I see you in the next documentary.